I got these shootout stations chasing me. So I'm forgetting this low lane. But I ain't bothered. I'll go 55 travelers away once again. 55, come on. We didn't hook up. Well, Happy New Year from Miami Hills down there. Oh, 195, your old school friend around New York pushing these 2879s. They ain't scared either. Well, I was trying to see. I had somebody call me and chat better go, but I got a little rough. So I had to run down there. 106 just checking in everybody. Hey, 1065, we got up on that line. Trail in the upper trays. 106, I said, as we got up. Trailblazer, New York, that line. Good morning, 106, Trailblazer, wave and love. School free, you be blessed now. I can't tie up, so I'm going to pull to the side. Oh, 195, oh man, Wicked Willie downtown in the Big Apple. Me and my whole school suburban moving on. You're not trying anything, man. You're doing it in fine style and good quality, man. You're doing your tools, man, the way you're supposed to do it. Hey, 106, everything is in queue, flying around and pick up the trees. Hope everything is in queue if you're around your neck of the woods. Mr. 106, Trailblazer with a wave, right back. Come on. Trailblazer, okay. Trailblazer man about 7-8 miles from me. But I guarantee too, you gotta lay it down. Hey, 195, say hello to all the homeboys. Hello, 195, old man, Wicked Willie stepping. I think the last big box builder out here in the DD. 955, just thought I'd let you know. 106. On behalf of 106 and 235, those that you called. So what you had to do is reminded me that you wanted to know about what speed is. Big 6, 235, broadcast mode, I'm quiet. Yeah, man. Hey, Marge, up here, loud like a 12 o'clock whistle on the upper tree. 235, I said you loud like a 12 o'clock whistle. 235, Trailblazer, got down with the world. Yeah, 195. Now, we ain't that, like I said, we ain't that far apart, but it's like I don't know if he stopped talking with 106, but I don't think he was talking when you called him. He just can't hear you, Roger. Well, Roger on that, man, yeah. Yeah, his reputation's way ahead of him, and still a few little boxes locked away in front. Hello, 195, one more time. Be blessed, super day, 195. Your old school friend around New York pulling out. So Jackson's been there and gone, 955. Bo Jackson just wanted you to know that he's been there and gone. 106 is calling you. I'm getting out the way. 955, 235 is quiet.
Try one more time. Try it again. I'll try one more time, Wicked Willie. I don't know if I can do it now. I know these shootout stations are down here.
Nerve for you to key out 420. You hear all these fellas out here talking? They got about 6 dB more than you. Hey, 420. Use the receive mode.
No. What? Now, what it is now 235 in the mighty blue.
Don't worry about those shootout stations. You clean it up around New York. You're slapjack in the apple. I'm clear.
Smoking out here. Ain't nobody keying like you. 106 trying to get hold of him. 955. Stand by a minute. I'm gonna stand by too. Have a good day.
I'm making a mess.
Hey, 721 New York said there's no standing by. 721 New York said there's no standing by. 721 in the apple. I'm down.
I wanted to see if he had conditions on it. I ain't trying to key on nobody 195. It's just, I just can't understand. In other words, I'm just checking conditions. I don't know why Trailblazer can't hear you there, Roger.
Yeah, I know you're checking conditions. I'm not going to referee between you and Trailblazer. Trailblazer's got something going on. Speak to you later, man. I'm going to get trying to get hold of somebody. I'm going to back down this side.
Nah, it says that 235 back there making things messy. He think I'm trying to key on Trailblazer. I ain't trying to key on nobody. I was only trying to see if,
I'm trying to key on everybody.
You and Trailblazer together, that's all. 235 out there.
I'm trying to key on everybody, 721 New York.
Trailblazer, I tell you, I got this thing in broadcast mode. I'm not even trying right now, man. I'm not even trying right now. Take care. Put that big Suburban in park, man. Let it cool down for a minute. Speak on you later. 235, quiet mode. I'm out.
Hey, 235, I'm trying 721. Hey, 235, 721. 235 New York, I'm trying.
Be blessed now. Wicked Willie, me and my old timey Chevrolet pulling out.
Yeah, he's ready. He's ready. Don't ask that question again. He's ready, Kay? 106 trying to get hold of you. I think he was going to tell you something about Big 6. Listen up for 106. I'm off the key.
235, Quickie. 235. Hey, 235, break. Shame on the mess. I'm out of 235, break. Wicked Willie. Calm down, calm 007. Calm 007. Let's see can I do something with him. Hey, 235, calm 007. Break.
You and Bo Jackson at 3 count. 955. Bo Jackson, 955. I'm going to do this once. I should have a water gate. I'm going to do it once. 235 in the deep. Bring it on. Break.
Wicked Willie.
721, 721 in the apple, got down.
I'm moving off the trees. I'm gone. Nine double nickel. When you for a breath, when you see your breath, I got Trailblazer in the mix. And when you both got off the key, it's only them that I have Bo Jack a 955. Right, Dr. Lord, you got that part?
No, I'm right on 235. Well, I'm gonna get on out the way there.
At 235, here comes 721.
Trailblazer.
721 New York, got down.
Alright, the newest members, the day is made muscle. That's what happens when you
Hey, 23.5, look at 721 New York. Hey, 23.5. Shh. You're 721 in the Apple, got down.
Hey, number 2, good morning.
Hey, I heard you call it 721, man. Kind of rough around New York. I heard you call it 721, but it's rough around New York. You're 721 in the Apple, got down.
Number 2, Wicked Willie. Number 2, Wicked Willie. Break.
Roger, you are the number 1 contender. That was right.
No Roger, number 2 in the Carolinas. No Roger, number 2, Wicked Willie, getting down.
All right, I guess I'm here at the time. I guess I'm here at the Trailblazer. I hear you in the mix, Trailblazer. I hear you in the mix. But I don't know, man, that 955 got this brand new parts in that old Legacy brand. Sounding real good coming across the Atlantic. Good conditions on all of you guys. I'm going to get out the way because I'm getting old now.
Hey, number 2, I'm getting my ears plugged. Oh, number 2 in the Carolinas, your homeboy, Wicked Willie. Number 2, break.
235, I heard what you said. What you said.
Hey, 235, shh. 235, 721. 235, 721, New York, got down.
The Trailblazer and big up the trees. Got down and go.
Number 2, number 4, number 2, number 4. Hey, number 2, it's number 4, Mobile, Big Apple Trees, break.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy, in about.
I don't know, boy. It's a little messy around the big town right now, but I believe it said 123 Audio Man. If I got that wrong, you had to have excuse. It's just rough and tough in New York. Hello, Audio Man. Hello, 123. Old man, Wicked Willie, downtown. Break. I'll tell you 195. I'll pause. I'm trying to hear. I believe I got his numbers right, man, but you got that big hammer still down there uptown. Oh, one more time. 195. Hello again. 123. Audio Man. Willie out. Hello, around Hammerville. Hello.
Hey, let me put it down around Georgia, 721 New York. Let me put it around Georgia. You're 721 in the Apple, rock it on.
Well, I heard somebody call it Wicked Willie, but it's over now. Me and my old school suburban still paying attention around New York. I got down. Barefoot boy, can you holler at Wicked Willie? Hey, Barefoot boy, Wicked Willie, Big Apple, break. How about a barefoot boy? Can you hear Wicked Willie, Big Apple? How about a barefoot boy break? I need somebody to make my radio talk. Old man Wicked Willie in the Northeast. That hello radio. Break 'em up in the Carolinas. Here come Wicked Willie. Break 'em up in the Carolinas. Here come the old man. Break, break, break.
I think I hear my neighbor, Dr. Butcher.
Wicked Willie, barefoot boy, Wicked Willie. How about a barefoot boy, Wicked